Now if you're going to sell your PlayStation 4 and you want everything deleted, just carry out these simple steps. Make sure your games, data, everything is backed up by USB, or you can transfer it to another PlayStation. Go to settings, in system go to backup and restore. And I recommend you get a USB flash drive 3.0 for faster file transfers, as using a 2.0 flash drive can take double the time depending on how much gigabytes you have. Or you can use an external hard disk drive to save your files. Make sure whenever you're buying USB flash drives, external hard disk drives or micro SD cards, be aware that they have come from a reliable seller. So do your research and make sure it's genuine and not fake, as fake storage can corrupt your files. Right, to carry out a complete deletion of your files, go to settings, go down all the way at the bottom and select initialize PS4. Select full. This will take a few hours depending on how much gigabytes you have stored. Don't worry, this won't completely delete your account if you are logged in. It will just log you out. Once the cleanup is done, it's a complete fresh start whoever starts up the console. Personally myself, I've upgraded to the PS5 Pro and I'll be giving you guys more tips and tricks on the PlayStation 5. So guys, stay tuned. Peace.